Welcome back to Techno Trend Zone. Today's episode is huge. This is not a small refresh. This is not a simple upgrade. This is a full transformation of the Apple TV, and if these leaks are accurate, Apple is preparing to shock the entire streaming industry in 2026. For years, people believed the Apple TV was forgotten. While iPhones became more powerful, iPads turned into laptop killers, and MacBooks pushed performance to insane levels, the Apple TV stayed quiet. But that silence was not weakness. It was preparation. In this video, we are breaking down the massive Apple TV 2026 leak in full detail. We will talk about the rumored A17 Pro chip upgrade that could turn this device into a true powerhouse. Yes, the same level of silicon that once powered Apple's Pro iPhones may now enter your living room. That alone changes everything. With this level of performance, the Apple TV could finally step into real console-level gaming territory and move far beyond simple casual titles. For the first time, it may actually compete in performance discussions alongside devices like the Nintendo Switch, which completely transformed portable and home gaming expectations. But performance is only the beginning. We are also looking at the confirmed hints of Wi-Fi 7 support. This is not just about faster internet speeds. This is about lower latency, better congestion handling, and a smoother smart home experience. If Apple truly wants the Apple TV to become the brain of your home ecosystem, then Wi-Fi 7 is a critical upgrade. It means faster AirPlay, smoother 4K streaming, instant smart device responses, and a system that feels truly modern instead of outdated. Then comes AV1 hardware decoding. This is a major move. Streaming platforms like YouTube and Netflix are pushing AV1 because it delivers higher video quality at lower data usage. The current Apple TV handles this inefficiently, but the 2026 model is expected to process AV1 directly in hardware. That means sharper 4K visuals, better compression efficiency, and future-proof streaming performance for years to come. We are also diving deep into the surprising spring 2026 launch timeline. Apple usually launches major products in the fall, so why the delay? The answer appears to be Apple Intelligence. The leak suggests that Apple is holding back this release to stabilize its AI stack. In 2026, releasing a basic streaming device would make no sense. Apple needs to deliver a smarter, faster, AI-powered experience. We are talking about improved Siri commands, natural language search, smarter recommendations, and possibly on-device AI processing powered by the upgraded neural engine inside the A17 Pro. There are also strong rumors about a split strategy. A base model near the $99 price point to compete directly with Amazon and Roku, and a Pro model that unlocks the full power of the A17 Pro chip, enhanced gaming, better storage, and premium connectivity features. This dual approach could finally allow Apple to break into a larger market while still keeping its premium edge. In this episode, we are connecting all the dots. Supply chain signals, software code leaks, chip upgrade patterns, market strategy, shifts. Apple is not refreshing the Apple TV. Apple is rebuilding its living room dominance. If these leaks turn out to be true, the Apple TV 2026 will not just be a streaming device, it will be a smart home command center, a powerful entertainment hub, and possibly a serious gaming platform. Stay with Techno Trend Zone as we uncover every detail, analyze every rumor, and explain what this means for you and your setup. This could be the biggest Apple TV upgrade in history.